नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञान भाग 2 मध्ये आपलं पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत आहे. गेल्या काही भागांमध्ये आपण लाईफ प्रोसेसेस इन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम हा पाठ शिकत आहोत. या पाठात यापूर्वी आपण रिप्रोडक्शन सिस्टीम पाहत आहोत. यात आपण मेल आणि फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीमचा अभ्यास केला. यानंतर आपण रिप्रोडक्शन अँड मॉडर्न टेक्नॉलॉजी हा घटक अभ्यासणार आहोत. यापूर्वी जसं आपण पाहिलं होतं की we had discussed about male and female reproductive system. Then we had also talking about the menstrual cycle, and now we will talk about the modern technologies in the field of reproduction. As we know, there are many couples, they cannot have children due to various reasons. जसं आपण समाजामध्ये पाहतो की अनेक अशी कपल्स आहेत की ज्यांना मुलं होत नाहीत. नाउ व्हॉट आर द रिझन्स फॉर दॅट? व्हेन यू स्टडी द रिझन्स, इन केस ऑफ वुमन, irregularity in menstrual cycle, then difficulties in oocyte production, obstacles in the oviduct, or the difficulties in implantation of uterus. These are few of the reasons which are responsible for this. Now what about in case of male? In case of male, the absence of sperm in the semen or slow movement of sperm or anomalies in the sperms, these are the reasons for don't having the children. Now with the help of advanced medical techniques like IVF, or which we can say in vitro fertilization, surrogacy, and sperm bank, the childless couples can have a child. Okay, so one by one we will discuss these techniques in brief. Now, what is in vitro fertilization, or when this technique is used? In vitro fertilization, or what we can say, this is a IVF technique. It is used for having the child in case of those childless couples who have problems like less sperm count or obstacles in oviduct. Means, as we had discussed earlier, if the male have the less sperm count, or the female, she has obstacles in the oviduct, in such cases this IVF technique is very useful. Now in this technique, the fertilization is brought about in the test tube. Okay, so this, the word vitro or in vitro, that is the technique is worked, or it is done in the test tube, and that's why it is called as a in vitro. So fertilization is brought about in the test tube. Now we know what is a fertilization. Okay, and the embryo is formed, and whatever embryo is formed is implanted in the uterus of woman at appropriate time. Okay, so in this technique, the fertilization method or fertilization is brought about in the test tube. Now for fertilization, as we know, it will require the male and female gamete, and when these male and female gamete fuse and form the zygote, the process is called as a fertilization, and all this process is done in test tube. Now second method is called as a surrogacy. In surrogacy method, some women have problem in implantation of embryo in uterus. Such women can take the help of the modern remedial techniques such as surrogacy. Means, in some women, they are having the problem in implantation of embryo. In the previous case, what we had discussed, the fertilization is done in the test tube. Here the fertilization is done in the abdominal cavity of woman itself, but there is a problem in implantation of embryo in uterus, and in such kind of problem, the woman or such women can take the help of this modern remedial technique which we called as a surrogacy. In this technique, oocyte is collected from the ovary of the woman having problem in implantation in uterus, and that oocyte is fertilized in test tube with the help of sperm collected from her husband. Okay, means oocyte is taken from the same mother, then it is fertilized with the help of the male gamete which is collected from her husband. Okay, and the embryo which is formed from such fertilization is implanted in uterus of some other woman. This is very important. It is implanted in the uterus of some other woman having normal uterus. Okay, such a woman in whose uterus the embryo is implanted, ज्या स्त्रीच्या युटेरस मध्ये हा एम्ब्रियो आपण इम्प्लांट करणार आहोत त्या स्त्रीला आपण काय म्हणणार आहोत, शी इज कॉल्ड एज अ सरोगेट मदर. So this is very important technique nowadays in practice. Okay, so this is called as a surrogacy. And third and important technique, it is called as a sperm bank or semen bank. There are various problems in sperm production as mentioned above. In case of many men, so as to have the children, in case of such couples, new concept of sperm bank has been introduced. As we had discussed in case of IVF technique, or what are the reasons which is responsible for don't having the children, in that case, the main and important reason for that is a sperm count. Okay, or various problems in case of sperm. In such cases, this new technique or modern technology, it is very useful. In this concept, it is similar to blood bank. Semen ejaculated by the desired man is collected after their thorough physical and medical checkup and stored in the sperm bank. The person, जी व्यक्ती आपले सिमेन डोनेट करू इच्छिते त्या व्यक्तीचा पहिल्यांदा आपण काय करणार आहोत, द मेडिकल अँड फिजिकल चेकअप. अँड त्याच्यानंतर जसं आपल्याला प्रत्यक्षात कळेल की द पर्सन इज फिट फॉर द donation of semen, then semen is collected from that person and it is stored in the sperm bank. As per the wish of needful couple, oocyte of woman of the concerned couple is fertilized by IVF technique using the semen from the sperm bank. जसं आपण याच्यात पाहिलं होतं की if in case of a couple, the male having some problem in case of sperms, at that case, the semen from the semen bank is utilized or it is used for the fertilization of ovum. Okay. Resultant embryo is implanted in the uterus of same woman, and then by doing the IVF technique, the embryo is formed, and such embryo, or we can say the resultant embryo, is implanted in the uterus of same woman. One thing you should keep in your mind that the name of the semen donor is strictly kept secret as per the law. Okay, याच्या संदर्भात गव्हर्नमेंटने एक नियम किंवा ज्याला आपण लॉ तयार केलेला आहे की ज्या अंतर्गत जो कोणी डोनर असेल या सिमेनचा त्याचं नाव हे गुप्त ठेवलं जातं. इट इज स्ट्रिक्टली केप्ट सिक्रेट. सो दीज आर द फ्यू टेक्निक्स, और वी कैन से द मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी in the field of reproduction. By using such techniques, one can produce the zygote, or what we can say, the childless couples, they can have their own child.